everybody, Natasha Denona here. In this video, I want to show you how to create this warm-toned classic glam, so continue watching. For the beginning, I'm picking the shade Balance to give some depth and accent to the crease. I'm placing a round blending brush into the socket and following the natural shape around the eyeball. And then with what's left of the brush, I'm blending slightly above the crease to create a soft transition. With a dense eyeshadow brush, I'm picking up the shade Mindful and stamping it onto the outer third of the lid. I want to achieve a maximum payoff of this beautiful, creamy, very soft, warm-toned eyeshadow. And then with what's left on the brush, I'm blending it upwards for a seamless blend. Next, to achieve a super warm golden bronze highlight to the center of the lid, I'm picking up the shade Luster. I'm pressing this metallic and high foiled eyeshadow onto the center of the lid with a dense brush. You can also use a damp brush or your finger for a much higher payoff. And then for an interesting dimension, I am adding YAMA, which is a sparkling duochrome eyeshadow, and pressing this slightly and gently into the inner corner. And to finish off this look, I want to lift the eyes, so I am giving a little bit of depth to the outer third of the lash line with the shade ZEAL. I am pressing this really closely to the roots of the lashes, working in an angle that is slightly diagonal. This will immediately and instantly lift the eye.